Everyone sends text, photos and videos on WhatsApp. But have you ever shared an invisible text message? In which only the message is visible and nothing is written. Means the other person will also think that what happened to my phone. We will tell you how to send an invisible message. These two tricks are going to be very useful to you. First, hundreds of messages keep coming to our WhatsApp in a day. Now many times we are so busy that it becomes very difficult to read everyone's message. Now in this case, many times the useful messages are also missed by us. But WhatsApp has just launched a new feature for this. By opening the chats, you will be able to see which messages you have not read. Now you can check out the message that you think is useful. Second, everyone knows that we can share photos on WhatsApp in HD. But again and again you have to click on the button on HD. But to avoid this, WhatsApp has just launched a new feature. You have to open WhatsApp and click on 3 dots. Then click on Settings. Then click on Storage and Data. Then you can select the media quality by removing the standard. After that, you will not need to use your fingers. All photos will be automatically sent in HD quality. Now this last feature is very useful. You must have heard the name of a feature in Samsung's latest expensive smartphones. AI Transcribe. I mean, if you know Hindi and you want to talk to a Russian friend, then you will speak in Hindi. He will hear in his language. He will speak in Russian. And you will hear in Hindi. So this feature is going to come very soon in WhatsApp. Just click on Translate. You will be able to do whatever language you want to translate. So this feature will be very useful in making international relations. So keep watching and keep learning in One.Sparkle.